How to log in to Prime Video account. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can log into your Prime Video account. If you're trying to log into your Amazon Prime Video on your computer or a mobile web browser, then here's how you can do it. First of all, go ahead and open any web browser and then at the search bar, type in www.primevideo.com. After that, you'll end up in the official site for Prime Video. Go ahead and click on the sign in option, and in this box, go ahead and type in your mobile number or your email. If you don't have any account, go ahead and tap on create your Amazon account. After that, just go ahead and tap on continue. And then in this page, you'll have to enter your password. Go ahead and enter your password. In case you don't remember your password, you can always click on forgot your password option here. After typing in your password, just go ahead and click on sign in, and then you'll be able to log into your Prime Video account. That's it guys, thank you all for watching it till the end, and stay tuned till our next upload.